So now let's see how we can work around with the light fall off setting inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have two light, but let me just go around and disable one of them right here, just like this. So let's just go around and disable this one right here. So over here you can see that this is the light fall off. So if I were to go around and move up the light right here, you can see that as the light gets closer to the object right here, it illuminates the object around it right here. So over here, if I were to go around and expand this out right here and expand out this light, you can see that the fall off right now is set to none. That is, the illumination is quite even right now. But in reality, light does not act that way. If you want the light to act in a normal way, that is, as in reality, where it illuminates the object closer to it much more intensely than the objects further away from it, then you can utilize the fall off option right here. So what you can do is you can go around over here, and if I were to click on linear, then what happens is that you can see that as I actually move up the light right here, it illuminates the objects right here just like this, which are closer together much more intensely, as you can see right here. Similarly, you can also go around over here, type in curve right here, which illuminates the object closer together even much more right here, just like this. So this is the fall off, as you can see, that you can work with. So I can go around over here and let's say, for example, work around with the other light as well, and then utilize the same option. So let's just go around over here onto light and fall off onto curve right here, which is much more closer to reality right here, just like this, as you can see. And this works for all light types, so you can see. So as I move this together, you can see that it illuminates the object much more closer together. So if you want it to be very intense, then you can choose curve, where it exponentially goes around and then decreases out the strength of the light as it goes further away, as in reality. Or if you want to go in a linear fashion where it illuminates a bit more area, then you can use this setting right here. So that is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go around over here onto light and select out linear on both of them, and this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. So this is the linear method, as you can see, just like this right here. So that is what you have. So you can still go around over here and press Ctrl C and V right here, and if I were to go around and move this out over here on the top right here, you can go around and change out color, let's say, for example, just like this. And then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you got three lights over here of different colors, and you can illuminate it in different ways right here, just like this, to create a sort of an effect right here. So if I were to go around over here onto the light right here, the type is point light. So for the ambient light, it's illuminating everything, but for spotlight right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and utilize the spotlight, let's say, for example, then I can utilize the fall off over here, just like this as well. Let me just go around and change around the cone angle right here, just like this, and this is what you have, as you can see. So let's just go around and turn these off right here. So turn this light off and turn this light off right here, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. So now if I were to go for none, you can see that it eliminates everything. Linear, it eliminates only that part. Curve, it eliminates that part right there. Similarly, if I were to go for directional right here, just like this, so you can go around and see that you can go around and illuminate the light in a particular direction. You can do the same right here as well. So you can go for linear right here, or you can go around and select none right here to eliminate everything, just like that. And that is how you can utilize up the light fall off settings, so that the light only hits out certain part with certain strength while you're illuminating objects in 3D compositions inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.